ear speaker not working on iPhone. So what we can simply do is, at first we have to you can simply switch off your phone and turn it on, and then after that we can go in our settings, and after going in our settings we can go in accessibility, and we can click on the hearing aid option right there. And after clicking on the hearing aid option, we have to make sure to turn on that the hearing aid compatibility is turned on. So if not, you have to turn it on. Then we can go back, and we have to check if it is now working or not, that our speaker iPhone. If not, we can go back in our settings, and after going in our settings we can go back in our Bluetooth section, and we have to make sure to turn it off so that it is not connected in any devices like AirPods or speakers or anything like that. So make sure to do that, and then check again once, and if that is not helping, then we can go back to settings, and we can click on accessibility, and we can now click on the touch, and we have to scroll a bit, and there we will, after scrolling a bit, we will get to see call audio routing right there. We have to click on that, and we have to make sure to keep it on speaker as itself, and after adding it as speaker, you can check now, and by using all three of these ways, you will be able to fix your ear speaker on iPhone problem.